Assalamu alaikum. I am Mahfuzur Rahman, ICT department from Milestone College. I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. And I hope your father, your mother, and all of your guardians and family members are safe. And obviously, by the grace of Allah, they all are sounds healthy, and you also. Please maintain the safety hygienes. What we hear from any resources like TVs, mobile phones, WhatsApp, Facebooks, and any social media, please follow all the guidelines. And please, again, I'm going to mention the same thing. Please stay at home. Don't go outside for any lump sum reason. So please, obviously, you follow our previous videos guideline and practice it well for your upcoming exams. Please, pandemic situation is going on, so I know it's very tough to maintain all the things together like in this very much crucial situation. So please, you have to maintain all the things like your regular studies, your food habit stuff, and you're going outside limitations. It's a very tough and difficult to maintain all the time, but no other reasons you have in your hand. So please follow it. So before starting my today's lecture, I'm going to introduce today a very interesting topic. What we do in our childhood memories, math, we do like calculating GCD or LCM or something in our maths class in lower classes in SSC level. So today I'm going to start a topic, LCM. I know you have some basic knowledge about LCM, but in my today's video I'm going to start from the basic so that might have some students I can found they just forget or they can have less practice in LCM and GCD all on that. So I will start from very basic. So at first I'm going to tell you what is LCM. LCM means lowest common multiple. Okay, so come to the board. What is LCM? The lowest common multiple of two integer, I can denote it AB. It's denoted by like something like that. It's LCM of AB is the smallest positive number divisible by both A and B. Both numbers can be divisible. Okay, so I'm illustrating here an example to understand how we calculate an LCM in our previous maths classes. So let's get started. So I'm going to calculate the LCM for 12, 16 and 24. So first of all, I'm going to divide it by 2, the lowest common divisible number to this all, like 12, 16, 24. So I'm starting with 2. So first of all, I'm going to divide it by 2, then what I will get 6 by 12, 16 from 8 and 24 from 12. After that, the second part, I'm again divided by 2, then I will get 3, 4 and 6 here. After that, if I again divide it by 2, then I will keep it 3 the same, 4 for 2 and 6 for 3. Again, now I have 3 to divide this all, then I will get 1, 2 and 1 for these 3 numbers. Then I have to calculate the lowest common multiple of all what we got, like this 2, this 2, this 2, 3 and 2. Like how many 2's we have? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 3. Now I'm going to multiply these lowest common divisible numbers, like 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 2. Then what's the LCM number we will get? 48. This is the lowest common multiple factors of all these numbers what you get from 12, 16 and 24. So 48 will be the LCM of these three numbers. Now I think you will have the basic idea what is LCM and how we do it, calculate it. So now I'm going to show you in my next part to calculate this LCM and this structure to algorithm and flowchart according to chapter 5's basic, how we write an algorithm or how we illustrate and flowchart according to flowchart to how we gonna calculate all those things to structure to the flowchart portion. So this is it. Flowchart you will see in my whiteboard. So at first I will start and using the start shape from flowchart's guideline. Then I will use input shape for taking two inputs for AB. It can be anything. We can just taking the input from user. They will give me any numbers, like anything they can give input AB. After that, first I have to determine or take a decision A is greater than B. Which one is the largest number among A, B? Is the A is greater than from B or the B is greater than from A? If the result is yes, then I will take the number to X, then X equals to A. If it's not gonna be happen, A is not greater than B, that means B is the greater number, then I will take the B as a X, then X equals to B. Just taking the numbers to X. Then you see I'm just using here a circle. Circle is used for a connection. Then the A can be bigger than B or B can be bigger than A. Here I have two output, so that I have to concrete this option by using this connector circle. After that I have to go for another process of decision part to X mod A equals to A. Then I have to just mod this X with A. Then X means the largest number among this AB will be divided by A, and the X will be divided by B, and it will be the equivalent value with 0. If it will be the yes, then we will find our LCM. Otherwise, if it's not no, then X will be the one step more above. Then X equals to X plus 1. I have to move for the further next part of our X. Okay, then this process will be keep going. If this process will not be yes, then it will be no, then this process will be keep moving. When we will find out the value of X, then we will find out the LCM. Okay, then I will show you the algorithm part. Okay, I'm coming to last part of my video to show, I know you already understand to my calculation in flowchart part. Now I'm showing you the algorithm part. Okay, so I'm going to calculate my algorithm part. So in step 1 we have, you see in the flowchart part we have a start. Similar thing we have in the algorithm part, the same. Step 1 start, step 2 in taking from the input numbers for AB. Then in the step 3 I have to calculate those decision part first. If A is greater than B is true, then X will be the A, and if it is false, then the value for X will be the B. And then step 4, if A mod X equals to 0 and B mod X equals to 0 is true, then go to step 6. In step 6 what we have? We have just print the LCM what we got in our X. If it's not gonna be happen, then we have to do what? Determine the X equals to X plus 1. We have to increase the number 1 position from the value what we have in X and recalculate the same thing again. This is the main process. So I'm going to repeat here again. You see this will follow. If A mod X equals to 0 and B mod X equals to 0, if it is going to be true, then go to step 6, just print the LCM equals to X. Otherwise, then go to step 5, just determine the X equals to X plus 1, and then go to step 4, even
go to step 4 and repeat it as much as you can. When you find the value of the x from this part, then this one will be the final value of LCM for your exam. I hope you understand my today's videos and lectures. If you have any confusion or question, please do it at our WhatsApp group, and you can feel free to comment at my videos comment section. Again and again, I want to tell you a simple thing. Please stay at home for your and your family safety. Allah Hafiz. This is Mahfuzur Rahman from Milestone College, ICT department.